homework work to do.
No, I might get in trouble.
Good job, Eva. You are very responsible.
Thanks.
Good job, Eva. Carrying your laptop correctly.
The teacher said good job to me because I was carrying my laptop with 2 hands in closed position. Time to print. Oops! Now I can print. Eva, I'm your conscience. Give the laptop back to your teacher.
Thank you. Are you okay?
What?
Maybe I could do homework on my laptop. No, if I do that, I could lose my computer. Here, done with my work. Time to go outside.
Fine. Go ahead.
Do not leave your laptop unattended.
All right.
What? What was that?
Give it to me.
No, it's mine! Look what you did. It's your fault it's broken.
Oh no, now we're going to lose our laptop privileges. Could I have that laptop?
Sure, here it is.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
How's the party going?
Good, I'm finished. Same to you.
You can both have a dummy now.
Oh, yay.
Hey, JD, what's your password?
Oh, it's really easy. It's just 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, time for recess.
Delete. Yes, I want to delete very important files.
Hey, you should download Minecraft.
No, it's teacher would approve it.
Good choice, Matthew. No downloading. Yes.
Can I print this?
Yep, looks good. Go ahead.
Thanks.
Whoa, the new high score. Don't go out there. The teacher wouldn't approve.
Hey, how's it going?
I'm done.
Good job, yours.
I got a high.
You lose your privileges for playing.
Action. Time to print. Look what happened when I didn't leave my laptop securely on my table.
You need to carry your laptop correctly.
The teacher yelled at me because I was carrying my laptop with 1 hand and